day. Hello internet, my name is Lauren King. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am about to go pick up my puppy from the airport. I can't believe I'm saying that. I can't believe I got a puppy. Am I ready for a puppy? I'm so nervous. Am I gonna be a good mom? Wait, I have a text from my friend Heidi. Heidi is picking me up and she's gonna come with me. Well, she has a golden doodle already, so she's done this before, and she is just helping me prepare and get everything together.
I was talking to Kathy, and then Kaya came on the phone, and I was like, Kaya, guess what? Auntie Lauren named her new dog Kaya. And she's like, what? Oh, jeez.
Puppy lands in about an hour. I think that I have everything set up for when she gets home. Why do I feel like I'm going to the hospital and like picking up an infant child? I'm so nervous. I don't know, I was feeling so sad about just this being the scariest day of her little tiny life. I know that once she comes home, I will give her so much love and so many cuddles and just the best life that I possibly can. So I'm trying to hold on to that and not be sad about the flight situation. But I have this little tiny crate set up for her, but it's come to my attention that she's 3 pounds. So I'm having to section off part of the crate. That way when she comes home tonight, she just has enough space for a bedroom, not enough space for a bedroom and a bathroom. I'm just trying to be super proactive about potty training. And then I'm gonna put in this super comfy blanket. She's also got her little dog bed over here. She's got a little basket of toys over there. I think we're ready to pick up the baby. Heidi says to bring scissors to cut the umbilical cord, the zip ties that go in the cage, treats, and a towel and a water bowl. So I have all of those things and more. I have little pina colada scented wet wipes, and I have some toys for her. And oh, my favorite thing, let me show you. This is a snuggle puppy, and my friend has a dog and she says that this is like the best puppy thing that you absolutely need that no one talks about. Obviously cute, but it's got a little heartbeat inside and a heat pouch. So that way tonight when she's sleeping, it's gonna be her first night away from, just basically her first night by herself. So this way she won't be so lonely, and it's gonna kind of mimic the heat of her siblings and the heartbeat of her mom. But now let's go to the airport. We're in the car on the way. Carpal tunnel Heidi has come to take me to the airport. We're getting a dog! We're getting a dog! Yay! I hope she's alive. The airport is so busy. We went to the cargo area and they said that she was at baggage claim. So now we're going to baggage claim. Why are you laughing?
I think it's that. What? Oh. No, that's the same bag of food.
Oh no, it's not.
Where's the other lady that helped me when he had to go?
Is it? Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Hi, baby girl.
Yeah.
Is it her? Hi, baby. Which one? Martini, right here.
Martini, this is it.
Oh my god. She's so sweet.
I cannot wait to see her.
Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Hi, I'm so sorry. I wish I could take you home too. Oh, yes.
Lauren,
yeah.
Can I see your... My Coco! My baby, you made it!
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi,
We're
baby.
coming.
Hi, my baby. Oh my god. I know it's scary right now.
Go get her.
Oh my goodness.
Go get her.
Hi, baby girl.
This is your first time seeing it?
Yeah. She's so oh, she's scared. Let me get a treat. Hi. Come here. You've never had hard food before?
Maybe that's
Is it a little big?
Huh?
It's not big. You can eat that. You can eat that.
Hi, honey.
Oh my goodness. Lauren.
She's so cute. She's so tiny. Here. I know. Hi, my baby.
It's okay. Come out
Should I
here.
put the towel on me or not even?
Come out here. Yeah, you're good.
Come here, baby girl. Come here. She's such a baby. Come here.
Yes.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh,
Good girl.
good girl. Oh, big
the stretch.
stretches. Oh my god.
Oh, the stretch.
Good girl. Come here, my baby. Come here. Oh, hi.
Hi, cutie
Hi. Come here.
Come here. Oh, yes. You
Come
see that
here.
tail.
Hi.
Oh, you see that tail.
Come here.
You see that tail.
Oh, girl.
Hi. Good morning.
You're such a good girl.
Good morning.
Oh.
Good
Come
morning.
here.
Here, come on. He smells.
That dog is a bag. Come here. Should I just pick her up?
Yeah. Probably needs some water. Whoa. She might pee on you though. Oh my goodness.
Should we go? We just got home. Good girl. Come on. We gotta get you some foods. It's okay. I'm gonna just get some food for you, okay? And then you gotta go potty soon. So the breeder gave me some baby food and a syringe of Caro syrup. So I have to. Hi. Hi. Oh, my hair. Hi, silly girl. Eat up. Come on. Here. Your yummies? Is it so yummies? Day 2 and she's definitely more playful, but I am having a hard time getting her to eat, so I'm trying to make a food with the game, which is extremely messy. But at least she's eating. And she is the sweetest girl. We haven't had any potties in the crate yet. We've had a couple potties outside, but that's okay. Right now, my main goal is just, I want her to eat a little bit more, because I think it could be so exciting. I think it could be so exciting your first day home. You're too excited to eat? Oh my goodness. Are you too excited to eat? I'm still wearing the same clothes because I'm like not had a second of spare time. But she's so confused about the mirror. Who is it? Who is it? That's just you, silly. Pop up, Kaya. Good girl. I just want her to have any interest in food.